Oh, chopsticks. Good to the porn stars. Do 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 do. Da 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 da. Ow! Man, I should not have heated the pan. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Can I squeeze one more? Yes. Is it ready? Oh, my chopsticks. I had 3 Reese's peanut butter cups and 1 triangle of Toblerone today. So I feel like I'm gonna overeat. For the dumplings, the forever combo is first. Um, Chili sauce. Chili sauce. And then the vinegar. Black vinegar, always. That's for the dumplings. Look, maybe I could have fried it a little bit more here, but oh well. I'm hungry. Hmm.
2 flavors. Chives and pork, and then pork and something. My leftovers. Mm. Mm. On a work trip for 1 day yesterday. I had a work trip for 1 day last week. I flew in, stayed a night, attended an event for 2.5 hours, and then flew back. I'm gonna do that again. Time difference was 2 hours, but I felt like I didn't sleep at all. What if I dip this dumpling in my leftovers? Spicy sauce. Mmm. Oh man. No, I really did good on that sauce last time. Mmm. I wonder who invented the dumpling. You know, dumplings are like that kind of food where every culture has a version, like meatballs, fried dough. You know, I wonder if it started somewhere and it kind of migrated across the world, or people figured it out independently. There needs to be like a dumpling restaurant that just serves dumplings. Fans of dumplings. Not a particular kind of dumpling, but a restaurant that serves different kinds of dumplings from around the world. That's all their menu is, just really good dumplings from around the world, all in one place. How amazing would that be? Amazing. Two left. I'm a fatty. Last one.